In the question on comparative advantage, there can be a problem establishing which country should specialise in the production of which good. So I've taken a question here from a couple of years back and filled in the information and tried to work out, should the UK specialise in food or clothing? So assume that you're unsure about this, just pick one. So if the UK was producing 10 units of clothing, convert that to 20, and then that will take that to 0, and then have China produce then 120, and then take that to 0, and then we can see how global production has changed. So there's now 120% of the food and only 67% of the clothing. So that means that there was a 20% increase in food, but a 33% decrease in clothing. So the increase has been outweighed by the decrease. Let us simply then do it the other way. Change the food in the UK from 40 to 80. It was originally 40, now it's 80. That will take that down to 0. And then clothing in China was 20 in the original question, goes up to 40. Therefore, food production goes down to 0, and see what happens now. And we can see that production has increased in clothing. Clothing is now 133% of what it was, and food is 80%. So food has gone down, but the increase in clothing has outweighed the decrease in food. Therefore, we have the correct answer now. China should specialise in clothing and the UK should specialise in food, and then trade with each other for the good that they don't produce. And the terms of trade are just established over here.